Hey, what's up? We have already tested many wireless earbuds from Lenovo company on our channel Tech Brothers. It looks like Lenovo is one of the most popular manufacturers of the budget wireless earbuds. In this video I want to tell you about the most affordable TWS earbuds from Lenovo. They are called Lenovo LP5 LP5. You can buy them for only $11 on Aliexpress, using $5 of coupon code. I will leave the link in description under the video. By the way, we already have a video about Lenovo LP1 and LP2. There are many views on that video, so I think you are very interested in the series of Lenovo LP earbuds. Now I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, and we will start the review of Lenovo LP5. As you can see, the full name of these wireless earbuds is Lenovo Sync Plus LP5 LP5. However, I will just call them Lenovo LP5. Inside the box of the new TWS earbuds, we have a user manual in English and Chinese, extra silicone ear tips, USB Type-C cable and charging case. There is a left and right earbuds in the charging case. I have a gray color option of Lenovo LP5 earbuds, but they are also available in white color. You know, it looks like the earbuds in white color are made of glossy plastic, while the gray earbuds have a matte finish. The charging case is really compact. It is only 60 by 42 by 22 mm. The weight is 39 grams. There is Lenovo logo and LED indicator on the front of the case. On the back we can see a Sync Plus logo. USB Type-C charging port is located at the bottom. The earbuds also have Lenovo logo and LED indicator. The multifunction button is somewhere in between. And there are charging contacts and microphone holes at the bottom of the earbuds. As already said, Lenovo LP5 come with extra silicone ear tips. They are different sizes, so you can choose the best fit for yourself. You know, the new Lenovo earbuds are very lightweight and they are very comfortable. From other side, the silicone ear tips don't provide high noise isolation, unlike the other wireless earbuds. They are only designed to hold the earbuds securely in your ears. By the way, Lenovo LP5 are waterproof, but I didn't find information about waterproof level. They are probably protected from sweat and rain, but you shouldn't wash them in water. As already said, Lenovo LP5 have touch control buttons. You can use them to play, pause the music with single press. A double press on the left earbud decrease the volume, while a double press on the left earbud increase the volume. You can also triple press on the left earbud to play the previous track, and a triple press on the right earbud to play the next track. A long press on any earphone activates Voice Assistant on smartphone. There is also a function to answer an incoming call. You just need to press the touch button of any earphone. If you want to reject a phone call, then press and hold the touch button for about 2 seconds. Lenovo LP5 doesn't have gaming mode, but we need to check latency in games. Let's play PUBG Mobile. As you can see, there is a latency in games, but it is not a big problem. You can still play comfortable. You can also use Lenovo LP5 for phone calls, so we also need to check the microphone quality.
Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Lenovo LP5. I am in my studio, and it is a very quiet place. I hope you can hear me well. Write in the comments below what you think about microphone of these wireless earbuds. You can also hit the like button under this video. Thank you.
You know, Lenovo LP5 earbuds are equipped with 13mm speaker. The main advantage of this big speaker is a strong bass. It is really powerful in the new Lenovo earbuds. However, the sound itself is not very clear. The vocals sound like they are coming out of the barrel. The high frequencies are very weak. From other side, I cannot complain about these earbuds, because they only cost $11. You cannot expect high-quality sound from $11 wireless earbuds. Talking about battery life, the earphone battery is 35 mAh, while the capacity of charging case is 250 mAh. The manufacturer promises 3.5 hours of playtime on a single charge. The total battery life with charging case is about 12 hours. It is not very long, but you can buy 2 or even 3 items of Lenovo LP5 and listen to music up all the day and night. Lenovo LP5 are probably the cheapest wireless earbuds that I have ever tested. You can buy them for only $11 on Aliexpress. However, I am surprised by the build quality and design of these earbuds. They look very nice. I also like the control functions. You can switch the tracks and change the volume using touch buttons. Some more expensive earbuds have no volume control. There is a latency in games, but I think it is not a big problem. As for the sound, a bass is very strong thanks to 13mm driver. However, the sound is not very clear. I think Lenovo LP5 will be good for listening bass booster music. Overall, I'm happy with these $11 wireless earbuds. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.